good evening, my dear students. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher. We are discussing the chapter number 2, acid bases of salt, chemistry class 10. Let us start the topic acid bases of salt. We are discussing today, starting the salt. So, more about salt. First of all, we are going to discuss the definition of salt. A salt is a compound formed by the reaction of an acid with a base in which the hydrogen of the acid is replaced by the metal. Or you can say the definition: salts are ionic compounds formed by the combination of a cation from a base and an anion from an acid. This is also definition. So first definition is a compound formed by the reaction of an acid with a base in which the hydrogen of the acid is replaced by the metal. Second is the combination of ionic compound formed by the combination of a cation from a base and an anion from an acid. So salts are generally formed when an acid and a base neutralize each other. For example, NaOH, HCl. So NaCl is a salt, NH2O water. So this is all about the definition of salt. Let us understand the naming of salt. What are the naming of salt? How can we identify the salts that this is a salt? How can we judge the name of the salt? So let us understand these things in the broader, clear manner. The naming of salt. So this is all about the naming of salt. How can we name the salt in the simple method? Naming of salt. So the naming of salt is all about salts are named simply by giving salts are named simply by giving the name of the cation,
टेंशन में क्या सब घर पे पहनेंगे
name
उसमें
of
आयरन करने का जरूरत नहीं पंखा चला रे
cation and
इसीलिए नहीं देते आयरन करने
anion. Thus,
जब घर में पानी चपे तो सब
Thus, the name of a salt has two parts. There is a name of a salt has two parts. Salt has two parts. First part, the first name comes from the first name comes from the name of the metal of the metal of the base used and second one is the point discussed. The second part comes from the second part comes from the anion of the acid that was used. So these are the naming of salt. For example, we can take some example. There is the acid used. Acid used. Second part of the name of the salt. Part of the name of the salt and examples. The few examples. So these are the things you have to be understand in the clear way of manner. Like HCl, we say the name chloride. We can use this in sodium chloride, NaCl. Sodium chloride, and the example is NaCl. Potassium chloride, KCl. Potassium chloride. Next thing is H2SO4. Acid used. H2SO4. We can say the sulfate is used. So you have to be sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. Sodium sulfate Na2SO4 and the magnesium sulfate MgSO4. Mg. Next thing is the HNO3, that is the nitrate.
सीधा करो सीधा करो
We can use the potassium nitrate KNO3. Next example is the sodium nitrate NaNO3. That is Na. So this is all about. So my dear student, these are the things you have to be understand. Those salts are named simply by giving the name of the cation
चाहिए नहीं निकल
and anion. Thus the name of the salt has two parts. The first part, the first name comes from the name of the metal of the base used. Second, the second part comes from the anion of the acid that was used, like HCl, chloride, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, NaCl, KCl, H2SO4, sulfate, sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, magnesium sulfate, MgSO4, HNO3, nitrate, potassium nitrate, HNO3, sodium nitrate, Na23. So these are the things you have to be understand. So the naming of salt is going to be used by the simple method of naming by using the name of the cation and the name of the anion. So this is very easy and this is very understandable and you should be understand it by the simple method of learning. So you have to be just clear out one thing, the explanation. Salts having the same common, salts having the same common positive ion cation,
बस खाली करते हो
positive ion, that is cation,
पागल साला तुम
और negative ion anion.
चाबिये नहीं निकलता है
Ion,
कैसे निकालते हैं चाबी जब देखो जाता
anion are said to belong to a family.
चाबी डालने कौन बोले?
Are said
चाबी
to
डालने के बोले?
belong to a family. So this is very understandable. For example, you can take the example here. NaCl, NaNO3 and Na2SO4. SO4
दोनों
belong to the family of
कुछ या
belong to the family of chlorides as the anion of this salt salts is the same. So it is very unstable. It is very easy to understand. Salts having the same common positive ion, that is cation, or negative ion, that is anion, are said to belong to a family. They are going to belong to a family. So salts are having the same common positive ion, cation, or negative ion, that is anion, are said to belong to a family. So example, NaCl, NaNO3 and Na2SO4 belong to the family of chlorides, as the anion of this salt is the same. So these are the things you have to be understand. The anion, the NaCl, and sodium. So these are the things all about. So thank you for watching my video. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel. So chemistry wala answer, give more views, like and share. And if you want to learn the chemistry in the simple and easy step of manner, then come and join my channel, chemistry wala answer. Thank you, all of you. Take care. Look out of this for a few seconds. Thank you, all of you. Give more views, like and share also. And come to join my channel if you want to learn the chemistry in the simple and easy step of manner. Thank you, all of you. Take care.